What's going on, guys? It's Marlon back again with another video. Last video I uploaded, I talked about my wing. I unboxed it, showed you guys like a brief short video. Today I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the car. Yes, the wing is on the car. I cannot wait to show you guys. I'm going to pull out the garage, show you the features of what the wing can do after you have it installed in the car. Then later on in the video, I'm going to drive on some back roads, give you guys some shots of it driving by, just so you know how aggressive it makes the car look. Once again, I want to thank everyone for watching my videos. Thank you guys so much. You guys don't know how much I appreciate it. Drop a comment below of what you think about the wing after it's on the 350. Comment below of your car and some of the mods that you're going to do to yours. I'll be interested to know, and I'll see you guys in the comments. Let's get into the video. With the wing on it, I think it makes the car look so much more aggressive, and I had to wash it before. It was very dirty before I started doing this video. I got a few things that I'm gonna need to get this touched up, but other than that, I think it looks very, very aggressive with this wing on it. Drop a comment below, let me know what you guys think about the wing. I think it looks amazing. A little bit about the wing, it is a Swan neck GT carbon fiber wing. So the top right here, these screws, you can unscrew it and adjust it to make it angle up more for downforce or down for a different look. And also at the bottom, you can do the same to raise the wing up or lower it down, depending on how you want it to look. But I think it looks amazing. It adds so much more drama to the car. I really love it. This wing is $450. It is very, very nice for 450 bucks, and it will change the look of your 350. I highly recommend it. I will leave the website to this wing below. It's called Rev Motion, so you guys can go check it out for yourself. So now as part of the video, I'm gonna take you guys with me, and we're gonna go on some back roads so I can show you what it looks like on the road. Let's get into it, guys. Yeah, I really need some gas. Look at that. Oh my God. You guys enjoyed me driving on the back roads, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do so, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.